Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip. Open Lexi Audio Editor and load the video or its extracted WAV/MP3. Make sure the sample rate matches your project, 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and choose stereo if you recorded 2 channels. Once imported, listen to 10-20 seconds to identify noise characteristics, constant hum, hiss, or intermittent clicks. You want a representative noise-only region. Select a short segment with no speech. This lets the next step create an accurate noise profile. Now you capture the noise profile. Select that noise-only region and choose Get Noise Profile or equivalent in Lexis. Then open Noise Reduction, paste the profile, and start with moderate reduction, around 20–40%, and gentle smoothing to preserve voice. Apply preview while looping a spoken section so you can hear impact. Make incremental increases rather than a single large change. Too much reduction causes underwater or reverberant artifacts. Once satisfied, apply to the full track and save a version with finish by refining the result. Use a high-pass filter to remove rumble below 80–120 Hz and a slight presence boost around 26 kHz for clarity, but make small gains to avoid sibilance. Export the cleaned audio at the original sample rate and replace the track in your video editor. Align and cross-check lip sync. If you hear warbling or underwater artifacts, make sure to lower noise reduction strength and increase smoothing, or try narrower targeted passes rather than a single aggressive filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.